Hey everybody, Professor Long here, covering some of the muscles of the posterior chest and lower back. If you're watching these videos, you know they're intended for students enrolled in my classes for the models that we have, so learn what I teach you. If you're in someone else's class, you might be dissecting a cat or a cadaver or whatever. So again, if you find this helpful, please hit like and subscribe and learn the muscles that your instructor wants you to know. Now we're looking at the back of the body. You can see the occipital bone here. You can see the vertebral spines or the spinous process of the vertebrae here. On this mannequin, we have this large muscle that covers this area right here, which is half of our trapezius muscle. The other half has been cut and reflected, so we see some of the more deep muscles. This large muscle down here, which covers most of the lower back, would be called the latissimus dorsi. The muscle that makes the cap on either shoulder is called the deltoid muscle. Since we've reflected the trapezius here, I see this muscle running right here, which is called the rhomboideus muscle. You can see the outline where the scapula would be. There's the scapular spine. So this is the rhomboideus major, and this is the rhomboideus minor, which is not on our list. And they would be under here as well. Here I see the supraspinatus muscle. I see the infraspinatus muscle. And if I did remove the deltoid muscle, I'd see more of the infraspinatus. And I see the teres minor here. So supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and the teres muscle here. Now, on this model, you can also see the gluteus maximus, which we're going to cover in another video when I do the video of the leg. But that covers most of the muscles of the back. Now, I want to flip this mannequin around for a second, because when we cover the muscles of the leg, there are two muscles that can only be seen on this mannequin inside the abdomen. We've removed the breastplate. We've removed most of the viscera. There's a muscle that runs right on the inside of here, and it would actually insert on the upper part of the femur and the inside of the iliac or the pelvic girdle. This muscle on either side here is called the iliacus muscle, or some people say iliacus muscle. There's a large piece of muscle tissue here that runs up and joins the spine just posterior to where the kidneys are. This muscle on either side is called the psoas major. It's P-S-O-A-S, but the P is silent as in psychiatrist. So that is the psoas major. And because they do fuse together near the inferior border, they're called the iliopsoas muscle together. But if we ask you to identify that, that's the iliacus. ID this muscle, psoas major. So that's a short video just to show you the muscles of the posterior and the muscles of the iliacus and psoas and inside the abdomen. The remainder of the videos will be over the arm and the leg. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I hope you learned something. Do it till you can't stand it, and do it till you make an A. Thanks for watching.